Well, I was even seeing the lantern because you got that little area over there too.
We can even dance out here.
That's what we need enough room.
Dude, I can't grind.
We need enough room for twerking.
This might be like a 2 or 3 part video. So we have a little project that we are going to take you guys along on, and it is a condo balcony makeover because he moved and now we need a little space where we can
Drink one.
I was gonna say cuddle up.
And cuddle up.
Super romantic. So basically, we're gonna bring you guys along. Hopefully this all works out into how we're gonna put this together. And I'm saying $1,000. He was gonna buy a fire pit for $1,200. So the whole project, I'm saying, is gonna be $1,000.
I like the sound of that.
I don't think he thinks I can do it, but with my online shopping skills, it will probably be $700. So
I got faith in you, babe.
thanks. Okay, so we're at Target right now, and then we might go to Home Goods and Pier 1. So
Target.
I don't really know exactly what we're gonna get in here, but yeah.
It's about right level.
Oh, we were going to look at the fire columns to see if there was a example here of the one that I found online. It's not the one. I'm thinking more of like a taller lantern. I already got us a rug coming, which is way cooler than those ones. They don't have much here for outdoor. So we basically didn't leave here with anything for outside. Okay, Home Goods. We're gonna try to find ourselves a little accent table for cheap stuff. Babe. And he left me. Hello. It's kind of like lake-ish. Already sidetracked. No, it's not for outside. That's a good height though. Set it on the ground once. And pretend you're sitting in a chair next to it. And again, nothing for the actual patio. We're striking out today, but Pier 1 is next, and I love that store.
We already spent $200 and we haven't got one thing for me in the patio yet. We're good at that though.
Yeah. All right, my favorite store with my favorite guy. This is why we came here. Lanterns.
You can put me in the front yard.
I know, I'm gonna hang you up. Do you like the red though, or are you thinking more
Actually,
of,
I don't
like,
mind that red because it does have that black in it.
Yeah, about that budget. So what happens if I get us under $1,000? Mood lighting is picked out. On sale, saving money. Are you trying to make sure I hit my budget? Just kidding. Haha, 20% off too. Thanks, Pier 1.
Okay.
One step closer. Hopefully we can complete it today.
Am I gonna measure it?
This is the patio. It's a triangular shape. Fire column is going to go here.
You just want to...
It's so long.
Because we're pretty fancy.
Everybody else has chairs. And I don't like that. Oh, I'm scared of heights. Yeah, don't want to block this view, guys. Okay, so we're at Art Van. Must be a Michigan thing, I don't know. But they're having a clearance sale, and I'm gonna make sure we stay under $1,000. Okay, now get up.
So that's probably too big.
That's too big and bulky.
I'll be, the neighbors will be in the morning and be like, I'll be out there.
Tell there's a couch that can fall over on you. Don't sit there.
No, it is one of
blanket. There you go. You want to know if it's durable? Go, babe. This is a new stop. Still on a hunt. We like the last piece, but might be too big. Then again, if you see my living room and kitchen, I crammed everything in there. That has my name all over it, but that thing is big and ugly. Oh my god. Dog. This is like our fourth stop to find that perfect patio piece. Who knew this would be so challenging? This had nothing. That quick. In and out. So we're mapping out that piece that we found.
So let's order that, and then we just gotta find a table, and we're good.
There's a lot of room. Okay.
I like it.
Thanks for laying this out for me.
No worries, babe.
And we order everything online now.
They were on sale yesterday for $250 a piece.
So about that $1,000.
We haven't got the table yet. I know, and I'm gonna get a table and get another $25 off with my coupon code.
Starting to shop like me.
I know. Look at it. Look, I'm learning.
I think we saved a little bit of money. Just a little bit.
We like wine, not
Winers. So we're ready to do the big patio reveal. I'm so excited. It turned out so cute. 2 months later, here we are. Pretty much everything was ordered online because we gave up. But I like online shopping. I think
It's the way to go. So, yeah, no, babe, you did a wonderful job. I think the colors, the rug, the fireplace, the lanterns.
Yeah.
It's very comfy. It's kind of what we wanted.
We're only, what, 2 months? 2 months later? Was that when we started this project?
Was it?
Yes, it has been 2 months. And it basically went from summer to what, 50 degrees?
Cool today. It went from like 80 to like 55.
Yeah. So this is our theme, wine and waves. And you have wine for me. It's 2 o'clock on Saturday. I think I did a pretty good job. So basically everything was bought online.
That's kind of wavy looking.
Yep.
We got our racing stripes.
Duh.
We got our paisley. Everything kind of blends.
We got mood lighting. Our lanterns and our lighting, mood lighting, was $192.16.
Might even get into budget now that we're returning this table.
Oh, wait, what?
We might get into budget now returning this table.
That's what I thought.
This table was $600.
How do you really feel? Accent table. The big guy.
$615, wasn't it?
$614.87.
It's way too expensive. It's not a $600 table.
We literally want to throw it into the water.
But I couldn't look at another table.
No, the table was the hardest thing to find because we knew what we wanted, but nobody had it. The goal was to be at $1,000. Under, well, not over $1,000. So furniture, we spent $201.40. Throw pillows.
You didn't update that though, did you?
No, I didn't. These were 70.
Oh.
These ones were, okay, say throw pillows were about $100. Our cute doormat for our theme, Wine and Waves, was $48.03 from Sassy Mats. Fire column, $133.54. So our total, $1,300.
But if we return that and get the other one,
I will
that's
be
$200 less.
I'll be within
So we'll be pretty close.
pretty close to
Just
$1,000.
like right around $1,100.
Yeah.
So can we drink this now?
Sure. Wine and Waves, babe. All day, every day.
Here's his winter going by fast.
We're not even gonna sit out here now. Do you really like rearranging throw pillows?
Yeah, I've gotten pretty good at it now. I've tried probably about, I don't know, about 1,500 different combinations with those 5 pillows now.
It's okay.
The rug was $98.
Which way do you want to go? Do you want to go to wine or to...
Right now I think wine. Analyzing. Viola. Whoa, 4.0. How do you pronounce this again, Dad?
Sangiovese.
Sangiovese.
Sure.